Ebi byahamibwa Speaker w'ishingiro lya Uganda Right Honorable Anita Among erizooba obu yaba ari omu rukiiko rw'akasheeshe olw'okukuza ekiro ky'abakazi aha Parliament. Right Honorable Anita Among yagira ngu bwahati abaishiki barikwingana 1,20,000 mu Uganda nibashobangirirwa baba bari omu mico y'abakazi ekikubareetera na bamwe baruga omu mashomero.
These challenges are manifested in ever-rising cases of domestic violence, negative cultural practices such as the female genital mutilation, social cultural injustices such as depriving women of land ownership, uninherited rights, among others.
Ubwo yahagarika yashaba abakazi okwehereza ekitiinisa obutosha kandi bejumbira omu kukora okwetungura. Aha mukoro nigwo gumwe omuhwezi wa Speaker Right Honorable Thomas Tayibwa yahabura abakazi okufa abaana b'aboojo kwenda ngu nabo baba b'omugasho enyensya.
I want to request the women that they don't forget us, we the boy children. We are your children. Yeah, and the moment we go rogue, then you won't be happy. So I think we start another movement for the boy child. Okay? By the way, it's a very, very serious matter.
Right Honorable Deputy Speaker said, these boys are your sons, our brothers, our husbands. As we strive to improve the girl child, we must be able to include the boy child.
Abanyishengero hamwe n'abandi bantu abahika mukoro ogu bajumirira ebikora ebyokurubatirira obugabe bw'abakazi kandi bashaba abaramuzi na za kooti kureebuka ngu abakazi batunga oburinganiza.
Okureba ngu abaana babishiki bayonjezibwa kureetwa on board omuntunguka obwe turi kureba aha kushomesibwa tukureebwa aha laws ezikwatirine na domestic violence ningashi okureta abakazi omu mwanya ogutari ogw'okubonabonesibwa.
Nyenda kusima Speaker na Deputy Speaker abo organization egi ombi bagambaho na munonga ebyankwataho kandi ebinkutekwa kukorera abakazi bisingiro okuza mu Parliament itwe nk'abakyara bisingiro tutahika mu kwita amaka gitu tuzo mu Parliament tutenseziyanga tufaha abakazi bitu aha bishiki abarukuzarwa aha mbera y'abakazi konka tutazo mu Parliament ekaba root cause nangasho muhanda gumwe gwo kwita amaka gitu
kugira ngo ekyo ntuza kukikora nk'abakazi twenka ntuza kukikora ekyo kubanza nk'abebembezi b'abakazi kandi ntuza kukwatanisa n'abebembezi ab'abashaija aha bokuba ebyo bintu bikwatirene n'okwimitsya abakazi okubaiha enyuma kugira ngo ntubaimutsya ngo beije kuhayahayana n'abashaija ito tuine emyoga yito ihanga yatweire
over kutwarwa mu system rundi mu bingenderwaho yo kutunga obwenganiza obundi ne batunga kuswazibwa nko omuntu ahambirwe ne bamusaba bwa kaiso bwo kumujura kumwolekensi yona abantu barora bali ne barora so twekiraniza ngo hasobora kubaho amadara agarukwakana agatusobora kukozesa kurora ngo omukazi no bwarabe no musanga atunga obwenganiza ataswazibwa.
Emikoro y'ihanga y'okujaguza ekiro ky'abakazi eky'omwaka ogu neeza kuba akisha Kololo muri Kampala kandi omwebembezi bw'ihanga His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni naateekateekwa kuba ari omugyenyi mukuru. Amakuru aga gashakwa Roda Ndingabirano muri Kampala.